Hey there! Welcome back to another enlightening episode of the Teach to Learn series. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the captivating world of recursion. No need for pens, paper, or scales. Just bring your curiosity and let's embark on this coding journey. Imagine joining Jessica, an experienced detective who's decided she's tired of solving crimes and wants to try her luck as a software developer. As Jessica jumps into the coding world, she's got a strategy. Break down every complex problem into smaller, familiar sub-problems that I know how to solve. Recursion operates in a similar way. We are breaking down intricate coding problems into manageable sub-problems, just like Jessica dissecting coding challenges into smaller, solvable parts. Let's jump into a simple example, calculating factorials. A factorial of a number involves multiplying that number with all the positive whole numbers smaller than it. It's a mathematical marvel, and we're about to unravel it using the power of recursion. Think of each coding challenge as a case Jessica investigates. Just like she approaches each case by breaking it down, recursion involves tackling each smaller part of the problem with a structured approach. Now, let's raise the stakes with a more intricate coding challenge, the Fibonacci sequence. This sequence is a puzzle where each number is the sum of two preceding numbers, starting with 0 and 1. You add them to get 1, and add 1 and 1 to get 2, and so on. But how do we generate these numbers using recursion? Let's connect it to Jessica's new coding journey. We create a function that calls itself twice, find the previous two numbers, and then adds them to create the next number. Just like Jessica transitions from solving crimes to cracking coding challenges, the Fibonacci sequence unfolds with each number intricately connected to the ones before it. Let's visualize recursion using the Teach to Learn series and Jessica's coding journey analogy. Imagine Jessica swapping her detective hat for a coder's cap, dissecting coding problems for her new adventure. For each coding challenge, she breaks it down into smaller, familiar components. Similarly, recursion involves solving intricate coding problems by dissecting them into recognizable sub-problems. This is recursion at its finest, and perhaps even more intricate than solving crimes. Jessica's approach mirrors the way we solve coding problems using recursion by breaking them down into solvable components. And there you have it, curious viewers. We embarked on a coding journey with the Teach to Learn series that took us from understanding recursion through Jessica's quirky career shift to exploring examples like factorials and the Fibonacci sequence. No need for fancy tools, just our minds and a dash of problem-solving curiosity. Recursion might be intricate, but with a sprinkle of strategic thinking and a pinch of detective humor, we can decode complex coding problems one step at a time. So embrace the challenge and dive into recursion. You never know what coding treasures you'll uncover. Thank you for joining me in this episode of the Teach to Learn series. If you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content. Until the next episode, keep coding with curiosity and keep exploring. Take care.